Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and great and just take care of yourself. One thing I want to tell you is that sometimes it is very difficult to be consistent in our life because we get bored very easily. But keep remembering one thing, that if we are preparing for this exam, then after getting selection, we will always remember that yes, we took the right decision. Yes, it was boring to study daily, but we took it, and today we have this achievement that we have got a very good job. So keep this in your mind and just keep studying. I also feel, it gets boring day by day to follow the same routine, but the consistency is the one thing which makes you different from everyone. So this is I wanted to tell you, because we are facing many problems, like some family problems, health problems are also there, but we have to fight and just keep doing what we are doing in the right direction. Okay, so that's tomorrow's to-do list. Tomorrow is 12 May 2021. First I will do current affairs and I will revise Feb current affairs from Affairs Cloud. You all must be thinking that she gives the same schedule every day, but I am trying to be consistent because we have to study the same things daily. We cannot change it. So that's all. Then I will read editorial plus vocabulary, and then if these two things I will do from Affairs Cloud PDF. If you want to purchase Affairs Cloud, then I will give you link in description. By using my code you will get 10% extra discount. Then for English I will read editorial plus note down vocab from it. Then I will solve English PDF from Guidely PDF course. If you want to purchase this PDF course, I will give you link, and by my code you will get extra 12% discount, and it is available in both Hindi and English language. Plus if you have any doubt, it has video solutions also. Then I will solve Perfection Class PDF. For maths I will solve the Guidely PDF because it contains everything like speed questions and arithmetic mix questions plus TIs also. Then I will watch one mains TI class. For reasoning I will solve reasoning PDF plus 1000 puzzles video because I have to improve my puzzles. Then I will solve mains miscellaneous questions. I will do this from plus classes of Ankush Lamba sir. I will just download the PDF and practice the mains miscellaneous questions from the PDFs. Then for banking awareness I am following Kapil Katwal sir's videos, and I will give one prelims mock test. So that's all for tomorrow. I know this is boring to watch the same schedule every day, but we have to do it. Try to understand. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.